In this video, I'll show you how to add welcome bot to Discord server if you are using your mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your browser. What you need to do, come on here, type in Discord bot. So I'm going to type in Discord bot. So I'm going to type it in. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So this second option, I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. I'm going to come on, I'm going to type in Dino. So I think Dino is a welcome bot. I'm going to click on search. So I think the third option, this is it. So I'm going to click on invite. So once you click on invite, so you'll be asked if you love to invite this. So what you need to do, come on here, click on this, select your server you want to invite this to. So I'm going to click on test. I'm going to click on continue. So this is going to come out. So you're going to be able to click the authorize. Once you click on the authorize, you're going to be able to invite Dino bots. There is a Discord welcome bot to your server if you're using your mobile. So you can see. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment. I'm going to go to my Discord. I'll show you that Dino just appeared. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.